Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Odisha government jobs. First, always begin by regularly checking the official government websites for the latest recruitment notifications and detailed advertisements. Understanding the specific job advertisement is crucial. Pay close attention to the eligibility requirements and critical application deadlines. This initial, thorough review truly sets the foundation for your successful application journey. Eligibility criteria form a critical part of the application process for any government role. You must carefully review the specified age limits, which often range from 18 to 32 years for general categories. Additionally, ensure your academic qualifications precisely match the job's requirements, perhaps a bachelor's degree in a relevant field. Confirming your Odisha domicile status is also essential for many state-level positions. Once you confirm your eligibility, the next step involves the online application process. Begin by registering on the designated official Odisha government recruitment portal, creating a unique user ID and password. Then, meticulously fill out every section of the online application form, ensuring all details are accurate and complete. Finally, carefully upload all necessary documents in the specified formats and sizes, such as a maximum of 200 kilobytes for images. Proper documentation is absolutely vital for a smooth application process. You must gather all your educational certificates, from your 10th grade mark sheet to your highest qualification. If applicable, ensure your caste or reservation certificate, issued by a competent authority, is ready for upload. Additionally, obtain a recent passport-sized photograph and prepare a scanned image of your signature. Adhering to specified dimensions and file sizes saves significant time later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.